Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 9 square plus 5 minus 20 parenthesis 18 divided by 9. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one exponent, one addition, one subtraction, and one parenthesis. Inside of the parenthesis we have division. So according to the rule, we solve first of all we solve parenthesis. Now we solve it. So 9 square plus 5 minus 20 and parenthesis, we solve parenthesis. So inside of the parenthesis they give us 2, and you know here is multiplication, and 18 divided by 9 they give us 2. Now we have one exponent here, so first we solve parenthesis, then exponent. So 9 square they give us 20, 81 plus 5 minus 20 multiplied by 2. Now we have one division, one subtraction, and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication first, then we solve addition, and then we solve subtraction. Now 81 plus 5 minus 20 times 2 they give us 14, and then we solve addition, and then we solve subtraction. So first we solve addition. So 81 plus 5 they give us 86 minus 40, and 86 minus 40 they give us 46. So the final answer is 46. Thanks for watching.